Hello, sir. Very good evening. How are you? I think, before the starting our conversation video, we should introduce ourselves. That's why because we are meeting first time. So please introduce yourself.
Yes, yes, yes. Good evening, Mr. Ashish. Yeah, I'm doing good. Thanks for asking. So, my name is Pankaj Sonkar and I'm from Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh. I'm working person and my hobbies are reading books, playing cricket, and cooking as well.
Okay, that's wonderful. You introduced very well. It's my turn. My name is Ashish Rajput. You know my name. I am from Kanpur district. And coming to my education qualification, I have completed my BTech degree with the computer science. Earlier, I had been working one of the software company as a junior developer, but due to health issue, I had to quit my job. So these days, you consider I'm job seeker right now. And coming to my hobby, okay, I am very fond of the listening old song. I am very fond of interact new people like you to explore myself. So it's my hobby. It's my true hobby, and that's all about me. So thank you so much for joining me today.
Yeah, nice to hear you. Yeah, wonderful. So you also like to singing song or not?
No, no, because whenever I feel depressed, whenever I feel like any kind of duration, my problem, that's why I prefer to listen the since 19 song. Because most of people are saying if you are feel depressed, you should listen some very listen some melodious song and old song. You can get relaxed for some time. So that's why I'm saying this that. But these days I'm also planning to start to reading book to enhance my vocab, enhance my knowledge also. Because somewhere I heard because if you start to read any book, yeah, any kind of book according to you, according to your choice, so you can cover the all aspect of learning this language. Because if most of people are saying if you want to learn this language, you should apply the four aspect of the learn this language: listening, reading, speaking, and writing. So if you start to read any book, so you can cover the three things. Because you can, but condition that you should read the book in a loudly manner. You can cover the listening, you can cover the speaking, you can cover the reading also. So you can apply it. So you can improve your communication skills. You can improve your like English also. So that's why I'm planning to start. Because earlier also I had been reading two or three books, so that's why. But due to some health issue, due to some personal issue, I couldn't continue my English journey. So again, I started to learn this language for this time. That's why you dropped the message. That's why I'm thinking you are free. So I should take opportunity for to connect to you to enhance my knowledge, enhance my communication skill. That's why I connected.
Okay, that should always try to be learn something new. Whatever we are doing, job and anything. If this, I think this universe is completely filled with knowledge. You know, whatever
Hmm.
knowledge you gain in your life, that would help you to boost your career to make bright your career. So we should always try to learn something new from books, from anywhere. So as you mentioned, you work company. So how many like month or days or year you work there?
Only I have worked there only 4 to 5 months just because when I started to in IT sector job because that times I was suffering from the very serious diseases. So that's what you say something.
Yeah, I wanted to ask, like you mentioned, I because that's why I'm also ask your how many month you work. So I want to know about IT sectors. Like you worked there's around 4 5 months. What is the challenges as a IT professional? Why I asked this question because I have so many friends who they are working in IT sectors and uh, sometimes I observe they most of the time they are in states they have so much workload but yeah they are also getting a good salary in IT sector. I know there are a really good salary. If you have knowledge you will get a good salary and really good promotion as well, but there are so much responsibility, so much work stress, and there are also deadlines you have to complete and you burden of work. So that's things, and because of that I saw many of my friends, they never smoke, they never drink, but when they join IT sector, after that they start smoking too much, and also few friends start to drinking as well. I ask why you never smoke it during your student life, your like in your academic times, but why you started now? So they told, yeah, this is for reducing the stress.
Yeah, yeah, you are saying absolutely right. Because I have seen, I have observed. So, like a person are working IT sector, that's why they consume liquor, I smoke, everything. Because they are saying I have lots of stress in my mind. Because my company gave me lots of responsibility. Anyhow, I have completed my task, a project within a time. So that's why in a in a morning times I'm busy. Then also whenever I have free time in the night time also. So for a long night also, no, by awaking to complete our task project also. That's why you also sometimes as a people have mentioned that if you want to awake a whole night, so we should use some narcotic product like cigarette, yeah, like something, everything we use it because this thing is helpful. But according to me, this is not good thing because we know we ruined our culture. According to our culture, we should not on the daily basis smoking and smoking and drink is not good because also affect our health also. If your health is not good, what is the meaning of your life? What is the meaning of your money? You are very wealthy person, but your body is not good. You do not take a proper beat. Your heart, because everything is totally destroyed by consuming the liquor, by consuming the smoking also. So that's one thing is not good. But due to some every person, every IT sectors, no IT sectors, IT sectors person, every person different opinion. According to me, this is not good thing. We should reduce. We should deny
Okay.
these things.
I observe there are in IT sector lots of girls, like females, who can employed. They also started doing these things, and this is really very bad for according to our Indian culture, to smoking and drinking mostly for girls. But nowadays they are consuming, so we don't say anything.
Yeah, like if you let us suppose you are younger, yeah, you are elder, like you are younger, but especially you are working in IT sector. If you try to give the advice, yeah, yeah, brother, this is not good thing. So that time say give the reply. You just why you are giving me advice? I know very well. This is thing is good for me or not because I know it because I am living in a modern city. If if you have like those friend cycle, our friend cycles are working, yeah, in IT sector job, they are consuming liquor and everyday daily basis like smoking. So it's this is a we friend cycle, all persons are having this kind of a bad thing, so automatically you also start to do things. According to me, this is not good.
Yeah, yeah.
Especially you are from the Prayagraj district, so you why are because in your English in your company also need to communicate the people by using English language. That's why you are learning this language. Who's motivating you? What's the reason behind it to learn this language?
You know, and everyone know what is the importance of this language nowadays. If you know this language, you can easily survive over the country, over the global, anywhere, and you can connect with anyone. So that's why I'm really interested, and I'm also connected with 2 3 times from different places, some foreigner people. So that time I was not able to communicate with them. So I feel why I'm not speaking English. If I will start learning, I will be able to learn. So I'm also motivated for that.
Okay, I think for your passion, for your dedication, that's why you learning this language because you want to match up. You want to match up the modern people because right now people most of the students are like because you're saying, nah, Papa, you are in an old era, I am living in a modern era. Because we are not matches our culture, we are not matches our generation. So that's why we are trying to learn new things. I know. I'm not saying that like in any age. Age is not matter. Age is just a number. You can learn anything, any age, in any age. So that's why you are doing good thing. Because every person have different opinion to learn this language. Some person are saying I want to provide a good amount for my kids also. Some housewives also learn this language. They are getting own satisfaction. They start to own startup. They start to own institute to teach the student. So every person has different aspect, different opinion. So that's very good thing. But right now, no, I have seen in this time that people are very crazy to learn this language. Because earlier we had no any resources, but right now we have resources to learn this
Everyone,
language. Our
yeah, everyone
yeah.
have resources nowadays. Like even uh, learn, there are lots of benefit to learn this language. If you will have a good command and communication over this language, you will like make environment at your home. You can teach your kids and any student who is at your home, like learning English. As you see, many people they are now making career after learning this language. To they are trying to join some schools and college as a like English teacher. And maybe you know
And
one.
you nowadays also notice there are so many YouTubers. Right now YouTuber also earning the good salary, good money also by only this language. Because then if you know this language, so most of YouTuber, yeah, most of our working force are saying if you know the English language, so lots of opportunity came in your doorstep. Because you can choose, yeah, this sector, like yeah, I want to become a teacher, I want to become working for, because it depends on person to person opinion. But this language you can learn this language, you can improve, you can there are so many doors, automatically open for you. So that's you are saying absolutely, I totally relate to your point, I totally agree with the point. Yes.
Yeah,
But sir, everyone, sir, because every according to me, if a person has a good willpower, no, he or she can achieve anything. That times no will stop you. Other people are showing the excuses. I have nothing. I have no this comment. I have no resources. Because how can I learn this language? How can I skillful for me? So because if you have like you have good mindset, you are set on mind. Yeah, I can learn anyhow by hook by crook. I can learn. So you can learn. That's a Dehati ma'am also proved that. He is only the qualified 12th. She is qualified only 12th. Still she able to speak very well. They start
yeah,
own institutes. She teach very well students. Right now he also become very she is very become popular woman in this YouTube also. Everyone know about it. The Dehati
yeah,
ma'am.
yes,
So
yes.
that's
I
very good thing.
I think if there are anyone who is visiting like YouTube for English related content, so they know about English that ma'am English with Dehati ma'am, and that is so also popular. And she have I think more than 3 lakh subscriber as well. So yeah, she's really good, doing good and well.
And one thing also notice that from your side, because right now no because we have changed our mindset, because we can learn anything at any age. People are saying no, people are saying no, if you cross like 50 years 60 years, then our mind is not proper working that time. But you have a good mindset, you have good willpower, you can achieve in any age, sir. So that's why, because that's also the Hatimam also proved that she has no good education, she has no money due to financial issues. She haven't had not go any school for to further education, further continue
Education.
or further education. Still she managed in this age also managed, but she learn this language and educate the all villagers who are also who are facing the same problem. So that's why this she proved that, because you can, if you learn something, you have only desire to learn anything, you can, no one will stop you. Otherwise people are so the excuses, I have no nothing, I have no mobile, I have no each and everything, how can I learn? So it's a proof that ma'am, I'm really thankful to ma'am also provides so many content on YouTube channel. You can learn by watching, you can learn anything because it related to English language. If you are
Yes.
beginner, you are intermediate level, you are advanced, you can learn by watching the video. You can is improve your listening also. You can improve your vocab also. So that's a very good thing.
Yes. So I think is for today we should wind up
Yeah,
the
yeah.
today's
We'll
session.
wind up.
Okay.
And thank you so much for having me here. I'm very glad to talk to you today because you described so many things. I'm also because you described so many things, and also you also proved that. Let us suppose if you are working profession, still you manage time to learn this language. So that's you also prove that because if you want to achieve something in your life, so anyhow you can manage time in 24 hour time. In 24 you can manage. So thank you. I'm very appreciate and feel very honored and very glad to talk to you. And thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you and same here. And okay, bye bye and have a nice day, sir.